Sino yung pinaka nakakatawa? Sino yung nagpapatawa sa inyo every day? Funniest or the joker on the team?
Tanungin nga natin yung fans. Sino sa tingin niyo ang pinaka-joker sa mga team?
Alright, show us your whiteboards, guys.
Okay, let's start over here with Choco Mucho. It is a consensus. Ang pinaka-joker sa Choco Mucho Flying Titan, si Tang Ponce! Isang nampa nga bilang pinaka-joker ng team. Sige, tanungin natin si Mars. Mars. Bakit si Tang yung pinaka-joker?
Si Ate Tang po yung nakakatawa lagi.
Zoe, is that why she's your favorite? Yes. Oh, very clear, very sure answers. What about on the side of the Cool Smashers?
Dito, Franny, parang iba-iba yung sagot eh. Pero let's see. Okay, please put up your whiteboards. I see a lot of Rose, Lori. Naku, hindi ko mabilang, guys. Sino ba yung pinakamadami? Lori! MG, may sinasabi ka?
Ano kami, funny kami lang.
Okay, where's Lori? Naku, mahihain to eh. Nilapitan mo to kanina eh.
Sige,
okay.
let's ask the fans for help. Lori!
Baka may special talent ka. Baka gusto mo sumayaw. Baka gusto mo mag-TikTok.